Are GMC wheel spacers good or bad? Quality GMC wheel spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The GMC wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket part between the wheel hub assembly and wheels. High-quality GMC wheel spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. GMC wheel spacers offer easy and good wheel position adjustments, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Installing GMC wheel spacers is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problems. They are installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brake and wheel options. These GMC wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against the suspension components. They are performance benefit to operating with GMC wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risk. What's better by spacing the wheels out from the suspension? The GMC wheel spacers provide sporty and aggressive stance. Many people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS active cooling GMC wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy-duty and any kind of 4x4 event. These GMC wheel spacers have high strength requirements. In addition, the BONOSS active cooling GMC wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute into the shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow completely inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. We can see there are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect. And improve road safety to ensure strong wheel spacer hub connection. BONOSS active cooling GMC wheel spacers feature ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs as well as 4 ISO grade 10 lug nuts. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative SGS and PV certification report. In addition, BONOSS active cooling GMC wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, giving customers peace of mind. Such BONOSS active cooling GMC wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs.